Hello, thanks so much for checking out my 1031 exchange guide. My name is Sonja Rankin. I am a realtor within the Emerald Coast of Florida. If you are looking to 1031 exchange within the Emerald Coast of Florida, please contact me. I'd love to help you and get you connected with the right resources. I can connect you with a qualified intermediary and we can talk about the process. If you are located outside of the state of Florida or down in South Florida, I can still connect you with a great agent who is familiar with your local market and knows about 1031 exchanges. Real estate agents are not trained thoroughly with how to do a 1031 exchange properly, so it's important to get connected with an agent who is experienced. I have a Rolodex full of really qualified, trained, and experienced agents like myself who can help get you to the closing table. So if you don't have an agent, I'd love to connect you with a qualified agent or even a qualified intermediary, because you're going to need one of those for the process as well. So if I can help you here in the Emerald Coast of Florida, please feel free to call me. Or if you're just looking to get connected with an agent and you're located out of the state of Florida, since I'm not licensed outside of Florida, I can connect you with a great agent who I've personally vetted. I have a long Rolodex full of excellent agents in each state and in several different areas. So just email me. I'll include my email information and my other contact information below. If there's anything I can do to help, just let me know. And please read through the disclaimer, as I am not a tax professional. I am not a CPA, and I'm not an attorney. I am a realtor who is trained in helping people carry out a 1031 exchange from a real estate agent perspective. I got this guide together and I'm able to help you from the guidelines of the IRS, and I can get you in touch with the right people and the right team to get you to the closing table, helping you sell your relinquished property and purchase your replacement property, and understanding the terms and the next steps along the way. So thanks again for checking out my website. If you need anything, please contact me. I'm happy to help. Bye.